Ano naman ang pakinakam niya dyan? Sabi ni Kat, ang pagtulog is not a...
I want somewhere I've never... somewhere I've never seen before.
Hey guys. Ay, laki ng mukha ko. Guys, we're here sa 80. Say hi. 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 Hi guys, today is May 10. Anniversary ng magulang ko.
Ngayon mo lang naalala.
Oo. Hello vlog! So for today is ano muna pala, today is May 11, 2024. It's currently 3:25 PM. It's a Saturday. Aga ko nagising, mga 6 AM for org. That's why I'm still wearing org shirt. And then, right now, I just finished filming for my CWTS. So nice. Actually, it's not nice, but I think I tried, so it's okay. And then, I am studying for my exam next week for 175, Philosophy of Law. And I'm fucking stressed as hell. So, this is my reviewer. You see that? Di pa siya tapos, actually. But I'll show you because minsan lang naman ako gumawa ng reviewer. But ito pa yung nagawa ko last time. Yeah. So, yeah, that's my reviewer. And do you know, guys, know how much yung binabasa namin in 175? This much! Yeah! Ayan, no? Ito pa yung reviewer ko from last sem. No, from last first exam. So, ayun, I just wanted to yap. I just wanted to share. So, if wala kayong pake, it's okay. I mean, this is videos for me, so... Okay! So, ayun lang. Kung bakit kayo... I mean, kung nagtataka kayo, bakit ako nandito, it's because, ayun na, may org ako. Pero uwi ako tomorrow. That's it. That's just a mini life update of my day. I'm so tired. Hello! So, gusto ko rin palang i-share what I had for lunch. So, late na ako nakapag-lunch kasi yung shift namin, ng morning shift is from 6 AM to 12 PM. But, umalis na kami doon 11 kasi may kapalit naman na kami. So, I had Jollibee. It's fucking good! I had spaghetti and chicken joy and Coke float. So good, guys. Simple joys. Should guys treat yourself. Yun lang. Okay, game. Explain mo ako.
Hindi na magkasalita. Yung voice over there.
Okay.
Yan. Stop by stop kasi yan. Yan. First yung ililit mo na yung arm. Support tapos. Spend mo lang.
Guys, we're here with Yana. She's busy. One more. Hi!
See? I'm gonna say the same. Hi guys, welcome back to our vlog. It's been a while since your last time. Diba? Kailan ba?
Yeah. Last month pa ako nag-post. Sean, say hi. Say hi. Lawrence. Ikaw punta ka sa harap. Okay, Kim.
Morning, teacher.
Today is May 16, 2024. Today is Ayu's birthday. It's currently 9:36 p.m. Ayun lang. And I'm fucking bored as hell. Alam mo, Kat, sobrang nakakapagod ng week ko na to. Kasi Monday, may org ako. And then Tuesday, nag-exam ako. Wednesday, nag-exam ako. Tapos nag-speech kami nung hapon. And then today, nag-present kami. Tapos bukas lang ako magiging chill. Hi guys, humans.
Hi.
So today is May 17, currently 1:39 p.m. Yun lang. Let's show Jella. Bakit mag-hi ka? Ayan, ba't ka na-phone? Yan, Jella, mag-hi ka. Uy, ba't ka na-phone? Tingnan mo. Yun lang.
Paso. Tiga masigat na ako. Oo. Kumbaga para siyang essay pero objective. Gusto. Gagong lapit.
Ang dami puno.
Eto na! 1, 2,
May bola.
3.
Uy, gago, pumaba no. Hi guys. We're eating. This is Car and he's eating chicken city. Today is May 22, 2024 and I'm wearing orange shirt. I feel so studious. Kain tayo. Ang ganda ko sa TikTok ko.
Indon.
Ang kami lagi.
Ano yung dalawa? Principle of mutual aid. Mr. Principle of mutual aid. Ito yung tutulungan mo.
Hi guys, I'm kind of pissed right now and stressed because something happened kanina. And then, just look at the sunset. Wait. Dude, these are like one of the simple things, simple joys of life.